All right, let's just jump right in. We're going to break down one of the simplest, most direct ways you can start making a real side income using AI. And the best part, you don't need any special degrees. You don't need to wait for anyone's permission. This is just a clear, step-by-step strategy to get you to your first 25,000 rupees. This quote, it really hits home, doesn't it? We all have that one day. The day we'll finally start that thing we've been dreaming about. It's always somewhere off in the distance, after we get one more degree or a little more experience, always later. But what if you could just stop waiting? That's the big question we're going to answer right now. Think of this whole explainer as your personal blueprint for finally turning that vague one day into a very real day one.
So here's our roadmap. It's super simple. First, we'll get the mindset right. Then we'll uncover an opportunity that's probably right outside your door. We'll look at the AI tools you'll need, lay out the exact game plan, break down the money part, and then we'll wrap up with your call to action. Sound good? Let's go.
First things first, it all starts with one simple decision. Seriously, this isn't about some complex business tactic. It's about a fundamental shift in how you see your own goals. And hey, this isn't just motivational fluff. This is a real story from the person behind this whole idea, Ishan Sharma. Back in 2021, he just decided to start. He bought a domain, threw up a website, and boom, landed his first client in under a month. That single decision snowballed into a 5-year journey, building a company that works with some of India's biggest brands. Okay, so where do you start? Well, you might think you need to go compete with everyone online, right? Wrong. The biggest opportunity for you is probably hiding in plain sight, right in your own neighborhood.
I mean, just think about it for a second. Your local dentist, the salon down the street, even the real estate agent, they're all real businesses with real customers. But you know what so many of them are missing? A decent online presence. And that's your in. That's where you come in and solve a huge problem for them.
And you won't believe how easy it is to find them. Seriously, just pull up Google Maps on your phone, search for something like dentists near me, click on one of the listings. You'll see their address, phone number, but look closely. A lot of the time, that little button for a website, it's just not there. Every single one of those is an opportunity. Okay, I know what you're thinking. I've found someone, but I'm not a web developer. I can't code, right? Well, that's the beautiful part. You don't have to. This is where the AI magic happens. We're talking about these things called no-code AI website builders. Tools like Hostinger, for example. You don't program them, you just describe what you want. You could literally type in something like, create a simple, professional website for a dentist in Mumbai, and the AI just gets to work. And listen, we're not talking about some clunky, basic template here. The AI built a custom site for you in minutes. It even generates the images and the text. And then you can go in and tweak everything, the colors, the logo, add new sections. You can even hook it up to Google Analytics or set up an online store. It's a complete professional package, and you still haven't written a single line of code. So you've got your target business, you've got your AI tool, now for the strategy. And this is the real game changer. Here's the key. You're not going to walk in and sell them an idea. You're going to sell them a finished website. It's a simple 4-step plan. 1. Find that local business on Maps. 2. Use the AI tool to build a gorgeous demo website specifically for them. Use their actual name, their address, everything. 3. Walk into their office, show them the finished product on your phone or a tablet, and only then, step 4, you talk price. See how that flips the whole script? And this is so important to remember. You're not just some person trying to sell something. You are solving a huge real-world problem. Many of these business owners, they're not tech people. They're great at what they do, but they know they're losing money by not being online. They just don't know where to start. You're the answer. All right, let's talk about the best part, right? The money. How does this skill actually turn into cash in your wallet? Let's break down the math because it's way simpler than you think. The goal here is 25,000 rupees a month. Now, that might sound like a lot for a side hustle, but stick with me. When you see how the numbers work, you'll realize just how doable this is. So, you basically get paid in 2 ways. First, there's the one-time fee for just building the site, say 4,000 or 5,000 rupees. Easy. But here's the secret to making this a real income: the monthly retainer. That's another 3,000 to 4,000 rupees every single month for you to just keep the site updated and running smoothly. Now do the math. You don't need 100 clients. You don't even need 10.
All you need is just 4 or 5 small businesses paying you that monthly fee. And just like that, you're hitting your goal. It's that simple.
And there you have it. We've talked about the mindset, we've found the opportunity, we've got the tools, and we've done the math. The entire blueprint is laid out for you.
And let me be super clear about this. You don't need another degree. You don't need some special certificate to get permission. The technology is already here. The customers are right down the street. The only thing you need now is to decide that you're going to start. Remember how we started this, talking about turning that one day into day one? Well, now you have the step-by-step plan to actually do it. So the only question left to ask yourself is, what's your day one gonna be?